Mom, never mind. It feels weird asking you. Dude,
I love this part.
You can tell me, come on. Joy.
Mom, have you ever been in love?
Okay, who? Is that why you've been acting so strange lately?
Well, was the man that you love the one that you married?
Of course.
Yeah,
I love
that's
your
here
dad.
yesterday.
Good to look at you,
I heard Aunt and Uncle talk about your past love. That's another man.
I guess I can't lie to you either. I was in love with another man before I met your dad. His name was Mihai.
Yeah, go.
Mom, can you tell me about how you guys met?
It's been almost 30 years now. The moment they touched my life. We were still living in Thailand with my parents and my sister. We met each other at the New Year celebration. He approached me with a wide smile on his face. He asked for my name.
This is a really good clip. It's really good. It's a lot better than the last year.
And the other years?
Yeah, dude, I almost cried.
Okay, dude.
Dude, good job. Guy, good job.
Because me and all the phases, they
Wait, for which? For this one?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a
dude,
green.
that's not the end. It's like the middle.
It's towards the end. I like that dog.
No, they don't. It's because they don't show you something. The long's funny.
Oh, hello there, miss. Would you like to ball toss with me?
If you like to, I guess.
Say, what's your name?
What is your name?
Oh, that's a beautiful name. It's a pleasure to meet such a beautiful lady like you.
My name is just an ordinary name.
It's a beautiful name.
What?
It suits you well. Pick up here.
I don't know.
Do you have a lover yet?
Please don't wait the law. Okay? Nobody wants to court an ugly girl like me. We talked. But we lived very far from each other, so we wrote letters to each other almost every day.
Okay, let me check my phone.
We had a sort of place high in the mountains to spend what little time we could with each other and be Shut up, Chindakana. What are you doing standing there?
Kushanashe, Kubo Bokanda no so. I was just standing here to see if I can see you from here.
That's my reply letter. Kaya kuchan birthday. Kuchimashi ha sato kumochikasunu.
When you got that, can I read it right now?
Chica. It's totally. If you're gonna read it, we'll move on.
Look, that's it. I was just kidding, Zed. Come here.
If you're
I want
gonna
to
read
talk
it,
to you about
come over
something.
there.
Sandala Taomuji.
What is it, Nuntai? Moracho.
It seems I have to go work in the fields for a few months. Chick Rich Pakalo.
Hey, you're really down. Why is that?
Long story short, I want to save up enough money. I'm gonna come back and marry you.
Nuntai! Are you joking? It's not funny.
I'm serious, reading your letters every day and night and seeing you only once a month, I've fallen more and more in love with you. I want to be able to hold you by my side and call you my wife. There's no one else in the world that I love most more than you.
Nuntai, if you're serious about marrying me, if it means not seeing you for months, but to be with you forever in this lifetime, I'm willing to wait. I promise.
I know that's going to be long,
Yeah,
but
their
please be
movie's so
patient.
good.
Nung Thái ơi, cái nhau thật đó, sao chạy sang nhau mong là lấy? Where are you? It's time for us to leave.
Nuntai, who's calling your name?
He's just a buddy of mine. He's accompanying me on my trip. Let me introduce you to him. Tumbi!
Oh! Nung Thái. Dạ cái này, chẳng nên nhớ siêu lo số nào. What are you guys doing so happy for? Oh my, what a beautiful girl. Dạ tao lấy cái này cái shot này, trông đâu tôi lên nè.
Tumbi, I want you to meet my girlfriend. Tụi nó của tôi không có, mình bay hôn giải nó.
Giờ nó là, bề trong cây à, bị cây à. Giờ, tụi nó bao mùa cái sao anh cho nữa, okay? Don't miss it too much, okay? We'll be back before you know it. Chuyện đấy để những lo mà.
Tumbi,
Anh chị.
looks like it's getting dark. Let's go. Chả trốn rồi.
Only mine. All right.
Zed, I gotta go now. But please remember what we talked about.
Please be careful on the way back. I promise I will patiently wait for you.
I lost just Nuntai and Ruby left. My heart broken. That would be a long time before I would see him again. I was going to miss Nuntai more and more every day, but knowing that he would be back for me made the wait seem bearable. I waited every day
I need to get a
on top of the
tripod, dude.
mountain, hoping to see my loved one.
I need to get a
I
tripod.
climbed the mountain before the sun rose and before the sun set to wait for him. I was so very young. I knew that one day we
Sorry,
would be
that's-
back.
Huh? What do
I
you mean?
believe that we'll be reunited one day.
I don't think
And
we're going
that day
to,
came to
I
be
mean-
totally blessed.
Oh, you gonna go?
Huh?
You gonna go with that?
Yeah, I don't know. What are you guys gonna do?
Ai da, bạn Nung Thái à. Cái từ mùa tao, ở bên lưu lý nào là em thấy cờ thế hả? We've been gone for so long now. Cái bà xã thế, các bạn nên giờ em bà chỉnh tỏ có là nên tôi muốn cái tao lượt tôi nè. Do you think she's still waiting for you, or has she already gone to find another man?
It's been a very long time to me. I still believe that she's waiting for me all this time.
Are you sure? And you think so? She's a beautiful girl, you know. Don't you think there'll be other men who will want to court her, and possibly even make her their wives? Như trong góc này là tu sa thả thế sa cho nên một lần bỏ được xe ấy. Sau đó cái là sai trả mà cho tiền đó nè. How are you gonna think if that happens?
Well, if she's already gone and go marry someone else, I won't stop her. nhìn tiếc bài gió linh từ quê chỉ thành nữ cô chú học công hồng còn lấy tao lúc nên trong sự I just wish her for the best. Look, we're already here. Let's just sit and rest, okay? Ý tư là cho nó là ví dụ cho ấy bữa trắng mà
Ông lên mà. Bác ăn không cả. Ê, bác của theo.
Ây da, con nhạo tôi sao hả?
Ê, lo thì có tôi lo mà. Cái nó tôi lo thiên nó. So dusty.
Gosh, dude, I'm tired.
Alo mong ta liền.
Wanna sleep? Wake me up.
Ê, bà. Ê. Gì à? Này, cái hai cái tôi cứ mà lên ba sư hả mô. Tao này nó ô cái tủ bún nhỉ mà. When you plan on marrying her, I mean, you know, if what you say is true and she's still waiting for you, what if she did went to marry another person? How are you gonna feel? Giờ tình yêu mình gì này có được sai chăng?
Well, you know by your deal, not the only quago, I got what that's it. I probably won't stop her. I just wish her for the best. But you did say to kidnap her.
Ồ,
Well, I did consider that too, to be.
What is you here?
Yeah.
You don't go kissing out, but don't just kidnap her for you, man.
I did consider that. We ain't saw talk him. That she might do it's okay, I'll go ball. That's all check when no need so I think the most respectful way is probably just to go ask her parents for her hand in marriage. Law. That'll be the most respectful way.
Nè, tụi con là do tụi tư mà, mau ra đi. Cho thằng đấy nè, có chủ trương cho tiền mua có tụi bao nhiêu để có đi sang nó theo. You gotta remember that there's me, you know? I'm your best buddy. You have to invite me to your wedding. Có chủ trời của tôi có lúc đông chung nè.
Tell him, don't worry. I'll invite you to my wedding any day. Wait till I got But to answer your question, I think I'm gonna go ask her after the New Year celebration is over. Tới rồi quý mừng nào nữa, tụi chưa biết trong ta, tụi đời thì rồi sống trai trong nhau. I think that'll be a perfect time. Tumbi, are you even listening to me?
Hey! Check it out all the way down there.
Who is it?
Check. Có check.
Này từ là,
Like the one goes go up there.
Hey,
Beautiful girl over there.
chúng tôi có chị thắng không? Why don't you just go to her then?
Nó có con nên走ta.
Rồi, yeah.
Yeah, it's a girlfriend. It's my girlfriend.
Really?
Because she home alone is up. Why don't you call to her?
Trời, quý học có.
Nương Thái, cái chả cá lò đó. You're back.
Nên thử theo. Trời, quý học bên nó. I'm over here, trời.
Nương Thái, cái chả cá lò đó.
What's the color on, sir? I miss you so much. Trời.
Ah, mà cái tao của cũng chạy đã. Wait for me, I'm scared of ghosts. Oh, help me.
I'm so sorry. Thôi chị không biết. Chị đã cho con, thế nào? Bọn con thì chị đã rồi.
Anh ơi, nhớ rồi. Ê, mà ở bên lúc này các bạn cho thế nào? Do you miss us?
Mình cho cơ mà. Of course she misses me. Oh, có hay có chị nào?
Dạ, nhưng mà này ở bên lúc này tao nói bro cá này, chơi bro này, có bao nhiêu cái chơi, mà tao rồi có cá đủ nồi. We've been gone for so long, we haven't had a good meal. Do you know if there's a good place around here for us to get like a really good meal? You know what I'm saying? Is that a good meal?
Don't be.
Ah,
You go on that first, okay? Có muốn đấy.
có một cuốn linh ta.
Yeah, of course. Go on, go by yourself. You're a big man now. Don't be scared of girls. But after we're done talking, we'll follow you back to the village. Thôi ta ta, come on, let's go khám lại.
Hey, only my. All right, sounds good.
Okay.
Có muốn thế này.
Okay. Một小時啫，都唔知道。真係，係 How did you know that I was gonna be here today? Or did I pop out there? No.
Kuch baat hai ke to nanu bhai. I didn't know you were gonna be here today. I've been climbing this mountain every day and every night, hoping that I would see you return.
Con nhớ cũng tăng bọc gọi. Con nhớ lúc tông nó xuân hữu sẽ cùng với tao lão sư. You miss me that much that you climbed this mountain all night and all day just to see when I'll return?
Yoma, that's right. I thought about you every single day that you were gone, Nunghai. There was not a day that went by that I did not miss you. I was able to wait through it all, Nunghai. Couldn't help tao ko na.
I'm sorry, Zed. I wasn't able to write you any letters this past few months. Thought you would show each other. All willy-nilly. But here.
Saw you crying.
Yeah, man, I'm crying, dude.
Turn around, Zed.
Oh, Shunga Ola Nunghai.
I thought so. Zed, there's no one else in the world that I love most. Nhưng lên tới nó chỉ muốn được của cha. But I've already decided của tự chỉ share lại that I'm gonna come back and marry you after the New Year celebration. Tao vẫn chưa biết điều ta của tôi yêu con. Của bố tại ý lý yên đấy. Ta chỉ mà cùng tranh châu tại. Có yêu tao. 1 month is long, but I know that love can succeed and surpass that.
Nunghai, cứ tao cần để một nó lên. I've already waited for you for so long already. A month will go by so fast. Easily couldn't thought out. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Everything was perfect, I thought. I was going to marry the one I love and the rest of my life will be perfect. I counted the day as they passed. The new year came and passed like any other year. Nunghai and I were planning on meeting just before the promised day.
Nung lai, don't want me to get all the go. What the heck?
Oh yo!
He got hurt over there. He asked me to come and get you.
Nuchon Moppa Shao, is he hurt there?
Ma, hurts.
Today's the day. Today's the day that I go ask her for her hand in marriage. But it seems she's not here yet. I'll probably just sit here and wait. There you go.
Johnson, no, hurry, let's hurry.
Tumbi! Chonde Mojang van Zonung na. How much longer until we reach him?
Tell him, don't worry, he's just right over there. Let's go. Let's go.
Chu!
Ah,
Could you tell them below? Look, don't get them on Nana. I'm going back.
there you go. Stop right there. Shoo!
Tumbi! It's a need on it na. Harley, man. Jokunashing on that.
What are you doing?
Jokuna! Good thing. Numhani do. Hindi na nidu pili na jokunash no. Yaga dogu. You guys are brothers. Why would you do this?
Good thing, huh? We're trying to pay us enough. We're just friends. No more there. No black more. You know how lucky he is? I'm so jealous. Keep pushing him, huh?
Jokuna!
I will be the luckiest man today. I will have a beautiful bride. With a money, don't go cha!
Giờ đầu tư nè, where can Zoe be? I haven't seen her for days. Hey, what's going on here? What you know? No, I'm only the one to be Jake. Why is there so many people at Doobie's home?
But cái sao nó
Tumbi pa niya na. Hey, Tumbi got married, man.
He got married? Oh, that's great. Who is she? Where is she from? You're like the Enyako Tuton.
Oh, didn't you hear? She's a beautiful girl from a faraway village. But you know, I'm in the Punish. I'm going to her date.
What the hell? That's exciting news, Sausage Heng. Tumbi! Tumbi! Who's your bride? Like. Zud?
Nung lại, tôi có được trong câu thế này. Tumbi! Get out!
John! Stop!
Come on!
Go to the Nona! Good
Good thing. Thôi như thế nào? Cậu bao tiền? Cái tiền đấy, cái tiền谁了？我都还给懂了个大呢，thôi我都还干呢，个包的更累好呢，too late man. She's my girlfriend. 老娘不帮你呐 She's my wife. Let me go.
Jonah!
No, right. I hope you can make it to my wedding, man. 我在这现在，我都搞到不能中秋呢，走路。
No, I'm sorry. Good talk to you all.
Zud, cut your hoop law. Don't you love me anymore? What happened?
It's not what you think. Jelly like a sa. You think good. I was stupid. Good not to me, John. I did a trauma. So I followed him. I'm sorry.
Why must this world be so cruel, Zud? Why must love tear us apart?
I don't want to marry him, but you saw your name. Because I want to marry you. Please, sister, before it's too late.
Zud, listen to me. Listen to me closely, sir. There's no one else in the world that I love most. And I've told you that more than once. But remember that if we do run away together, we're saying both our parents' name. I don't want you to live a life like that. Which is just go on and live your life with Dumbi. Game bầu xua kê tia xe tia cho mùa con Đó cú nó nhỏ mù ta ít thi Ta yếu nhỏ hông chạy hình xua Lo cho mùa ư nhỏ hoa ý kê Chẳng lời nó trong đời đời còn có trong trong từ đó đã ghi hầu lưu xiết nó mà chỉ con lưu sâu xa hương mỗi ngày đây đưa ta qua trái dẫu nó để ta chỉ muốn lời mong cho yếu nhớ oan anh từ một giọt nước tư lưu xuyên chưa theo lý do cho trong có lưng lưu có lưu tế bà không còn hồng cầu tư nên trong 我到落幕，逃不也不在一起，逃去不能忘不。夜高不高了，继续到，这样走红。 đại đời chỉ cho yêu thấu sâu cho cái hư ya ta thấu lo cứ theo có ya oa y ra ra nè
wedding came so fast I didn't have time to prepare myself to be someone else's bride. All I could think about was Numpai and his words. And as much as I wanted to run away with him, we didn't have the heart to shame my parents. I hid my emotion and proceeded with the wedding rituals. As we left Dumbi's house, the Mekong led the way, carrying a black umbrella wrapped in a special cloth. The Pila, the helper or the best man, followed, carrying Luka on his back with the lunch inside to eat halfway between the two villages. Then Dumbi followed, the groom, carrying a blanket on his back. And then it was me, the bride, who followed. And lastly, the Netanjo, or the Green Lady, following me, ensuring that I wouldn't run away. Once we arrived to my village, we headed straight to my parents' home, where bride price negotiation between the two families began. After a meal prepared to welcome the groom's family, two Mekong from each side of the family sit together to voice each family's thoughts on the bride price. The real reason behind bride price is part of a long Hmong tradition. Hmong people believe in good and bad spirit and in ancestral spirits known as Dako. Each clan has their own unique Dako that protects their family and brings them good fortune. When a daughter is married and moves in with the groom and his family, it is believed that her spirit will no longer be protected by her birth family's Dako and requires the groom's family Dako to protect her. When a groom asks for a daughter's hand in marriage, he is promising to care for her. But that is not always the case. In order to remind the groom and his family of the promise they made, the bride's parents must demand something so valuable it will serve as a continuous reminder when the youngest, dead or alive. And then an elder lectured Dumbi and I on how to live and lead a good life. Finally, the wedding ended, and we began to lead in the same fashion when we arrived. The Mekong led the way, the Pila following, then Dumbi, then I, and then the Nitanjo. Forbidden to look back as I left, tears fell from my eyes. All I could think about was Numpai and how I wish I could see him one last time before I left. The pain inside my chest grew tighter as I realized this wouldn't be possible. But then I heard his voice.
Duh!
Numpai! That she joy your liang
Your just that good show. That she knew your young girl. Talk yeah, talk.
Một đôi lính đau thương, đau cho sang cao trong chế. Cùng một khả lưu, chỉ trong đó. Chỉ muốn nhà tao không lo sợ.
Alicia, and you're Dumbi Among. Just go on and you'll live your life with Dumbi. Forget about me.
That was the last time I saw him. Didn't know if he could I don't know if he's dead or if he's married. All I know is that whenever I think about it, it makes me so sad that the man I love so much I was not meant to be with.
What kind of father would do that? So sad, Mom. Du should have believed.
Even though it is sad, I'm here today. I have all you guys to take care of. I want you to know that even though I am very sick, I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Now tell me what is troubling you so much. Why do you speak of love?
Just promise that you won't get mad like Dad.
Yes, I promise. Good job, Luke.
I broke off the engagement with Shane.
Go! That's your aunt's daughter. Why would you do something like this?
You promised not to get mad, Mom.
Yes, I promise. But why are you still so sad? Shouldn't you be happy if you don't want to marry her?
Well, yeah, I thought it'd be sad too. being sad that you do share. That she 거꾸노가 저것저기 눌러야 왜대 더이 queen sad the queen doluna shame dead. I thought I love Shane too, but I don't love her that way. The more I think about it, the more I just see her as a friend. Masala chiku luto Shane ya like with ponisu.
I can see in your eyes that you're in love with someone. Then who is this girl?
Before I met her, I didn't know the true meaning of love. 근데 그번에 우인시도 버텨서기 루테텔이 she made me feel these things that I've never felt before. She really made me see that you don't have to be afraid of anything when you have love. 너 듣고 봤대요. 더 유머게 루 일단 잘해줄래. It was the first day of classes when she walked in late. As she passed me, I could smell the flower perfume in her hair. She sat right in front of me without saying a single word. The entire time she was quiet, and the entire time I was awestruck. For the first time in my life, I was speechless.
Alright class, that's it for today's lesson. Have a good weekend.
Hey, Pong, do you know who that girl is? Why
do you care, dude? Where's Shane? Where's your man?
Never seen her before. She must be a transfer student. Shut
up. Watch. I'll get her number.
Wait, Pong!
Hey, Pong! Okay. Hey, where's Pong rushing to? Pong
Nowhere. How are classes today?
Oh, nothing special. Just wanted to... Hey, are you even listening to me?
Hey, Shane, I'll see you at the hangout tonight.
Kong!
Hey, dude, where are you? I came back to look for you, but I only brought Shay.
Oh, I have to do something at home. Should I get a doctor? Come down to Tatra.
Of course, I've been talking for a bit. Make my girlfriend for sure.
Dude, you've got no game. Never had a girlfriend before. Just the one guy that you had a little more shield in it.
Just you wait. I even have to hang out tonight. Speaking of which, she's here.
Oh, Kong! There you are. Where were you? I was looking for you and I was calling for you. Who's not calling you?
I had to do something at home. Could you move with the jail? That's all.
Oh, are you okay? Are you sick? Come on, along. Gotta go.
Don't do that to me. I'm not a little kid anymore. Could you yell me a yo na?
Hey guys, I'm just Dahlia. Got your Gonya Shay. They are lovebirds.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. Let's go meet my friends.
Dude, is this okay? You're acting so weird lately.
Nah, I'm alright. I might just be getting sick, that's all.
Okay.
That night, I couldn't sleep at all. I briefly saw her, and in a moment, it took all my breath away. I felt frustrated because I never felt like this before. I didn't even know what I was feeling. My mind was running with thoughts. I put on my shoes and I ran as fast as I could and as far as I could so that I would outrun my thoughts.
Gongzhen? Is that you? Be a call.
Oh, hi. Aren't you?
You're Gong ah?
Yeah, we were at the party. Gong, that's a really nice name. Gong.
Oh, Joe. Talk to you, but that bitch was here. She's Talia. Sorry about earlier, we didn't get a chance to talk at all.
That's alright. Punishing were busy introducing me to everyone. They are punishing go chung kya go bai ni punishing go. Do you go running this late night? Yeah, go can you lo ya? Aren't you afraid of ghosts? Go chung cha dao.
Mình nói của push tới ngồi kia là cũng tương ngược kia. Rồi khỏi của bỏ cờ cơ chữ tụ ảm máu. Couldn't sleep tonight, so I decided to go for a run. Good thing I came across you and you weren't a ghost. I had to double take because I wasn't really sure. What about you? What are you doing here so late and where do you live? Tôi thấy tao muốn nói có chuyện tôi ở đây chứ theo cái nhà của tôi to.
I just transferred here, so I wanted to take a look around the neighborhood. Tia kun yo khochi la na se ko tua yi te chao le na so.
Oh, có mình đâu có nhận thức gì nhau nào? Do you live with your parents? And why did you transfer here? Cho có chỉ là cần nó thế. Sorry, I'm asking so much questions.
It's okay. I don't mind. Just going to side down.
Oh.
I'm an orphan. Within Saint-Jean. My mother passed away when I was young, and my father just passed away recently. Now I'm living with my aunt and uncle. They are going to take good seat to tell you. I'm not going to take good seat.
Oh. I'm sorry to hear that. I'll go to shut down.
It's okay. Chill down. Hey! Why are you so scared to talk? Afraid I'd bite you? Check your go.
You're a vampire now? Tôi đã muốn chào lo. Sorry, it's just I don't even know what I'm saying right now. So I'll go ahead and help.
Oh, okay. Is this your first time talking to your girl? Yeah, you could touch on the towel.
No. Yell go. Wait, but you know what?
I'm just kidding, but that's all.
Oh.
When I'm stuck like this, I take a deep breath. And I speak from my heart. When you think too much, you lose your words. But when you speak truthfully, it comes from the heart. Thật có gì nó, có gì chụp ba lọ, thế hà liên tần này có được lọ.
To be honest, I've never felt like this before, so I don't even know what I'm feeling. My words just get jumbled and I just run out of breath.
Oh,
Well, that's because you just got done running. Tôi cái nhập quan khiến kêu là thế này.
I guess you're right. Yeah, yell at that.
You never answered my question. Cái tôi tới cô khó luôn nông này.
No, not you now. What question?
I asked you how you got a girlfriend. Cô nữ có có thể đi vô thường lắm.
Oh. To be honest, it's kind of complicating. Shing and I are more than just boyfriend and girlfriend.
You're married then, right? Nang chi yo yo.
No. You're like, not yet. Just thought she go.
So what do you mean then? Cái thái tôi cả.
Well, since I was little, my father arranged for my marriage with Shing. And I guess growing up, I never really cared about it. I thought it was kind of cute. I don't know, I guess growing up, I never really cared to court for other girls because technically I already had a girlfriend.
So what's the problem now? Khó tin nghe cả là.
Can't you see I'm still trying to figure that out?
That night, we talked till the sun rose. Even though we've only met, we talked and talked. I never talked with anyone like this before. She was willing to be open with me from the start, and I felt like I could open my heart up to her. I thought to myself then, is this what falling in love feels like? Opening yourself to a complete stranger and letting them in? If it was, then I was falling in love with her. Every moment that I spent with her. Before I realized it, my world seemed to change before my very eyes. The school year was flying by, and the life I thought was perfect seemed to light up even more. It seemed like I'd climbed the tallest mountain and I was at the very top, but I knew eventually I would have to climb down. But instead, everything came crashing.
Hey, Gong. Why so happy these days, huh?
Aren't you glad to see me happy? Would you rather see me miserable and sad?
Well, you just went to Gaoyu. Aren't you worried that she will be jealous that Shen Kilo?
Kilo? Daniel Key. Why would you be jealous?
Gong, as your friend, good one you are. Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure, man. What's up? Watch out.
Do you like Gaoyu?
What kind of ridiculous question is that?
Gong, I can see in your eyes. Look how shy you are. When you look at her, you see so much happy around her. Don't you forget, you two do have the same last name.
No, that's enough. Why would you even accuse me of something like that?
Gong, I'm gonna look out for you, bro. Do you know people say the seeds together? Even though you're just friends, when you're with her, when you're together, don't they see value too?
Do you really think that I like her that much, Mom? Why would I do that when I'm already engaged with Shane?
Why are you so defensive? You don't like her because she's not new. Then why make a deal out of it?
What's wrong with that? What if I do like her?
Do you?
Okay, yeah, I do like her a little. A lot. I know it's wrong. I just don't know.
It's alright. Calm down.
I mean, it's just my whole life. I thought I was in love with Shane. My life was perfect, man. I had good grades. I'm an honor student. And I have great friends. And then she comes falling from the sky and sweeps me off my feet. Just don't get it, man. I mean, the feelings that I have for Shane is considered love, then what kind of feelings do I have for Goyer? Madness?
I don't know. Coach Paul.
I mean, what's wrong about loving her? Shane's my aunt's daughter. She's basically my cousin. And then there's Goyer. We have the same last name, yeah, but we're not even blood related compared to Shane and I. It just doesn't make sense.
Think about it carefully, I mean. Who do you really love? You know shit your whole entire life. And Gallier, you only know the school year. Is it really worth throwing something like that away for someone you got to know? And though I may not understand you completely, we are living in the 21st century, and times are changing. I mean, anything's possible, right? Just go with your heart. I'm gonna go share some.
You know what? You're right, Pom. Can you handle it? I've made my decision. 我的自己到了。John,
No problem,
play
man.
more games.
Gong, what did you want to see me for? Come on, actually, I had to go. Gong.
Something that I need to tell you.
Hey, why are you speaking like that again? Don't you remember the words I told you? Take a deep breath and speak from your heart. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Gonzo, call me mad, call me crazy, call me stupid or whatever you may, but I need you to listen to me carefully.
Don't worry, Gong. Gong. Though you're crazy, mad, and stupid at times, I always cherish you for who you are.
Gonzo,一心内，触摸一手，咕噜祷告，娘的对侬，有我路一起，大咕噜。Chuamo gossip, Lugo ile.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ
기억이 녀샤 좋아하네 요아주시바 요아주시야 Vieni 요아조 đời gió lưu đâu cho chê cho cái lưu tư lưu cho cái cho con nụ đi chi mua lưu này cho cái cho con
Con, I thought I was the only one who felt like this. Okay, aku tuh saja, aku tuh ini nggak saling nafsu. I thought I was going crazy, mad, and stupid. My father told me to give this to man alone. This is a symbol of my love to you. Aku tuh hari aku dia, kau cuma tahu cina ada tining kelu. Karena aku tahu kelu tak kau. Keep it and hold it in your heart.
Ừ. Lê à. Ủa lọ. Ta kiểu mỏng con nè. Ok, có sorry about it. Nè. Kuma hỏi lửa chạy cũng mua nè. Lê. I have some business, okay. Bye.
좋아
Du. Kumaraji, Rabutana. What do you have to talk with your father about?
Dad, I want to talk to you about Sheng because I look at that Sheng.
Okay.
Now, why did you engage me to Sheng? Because mo kute Sheng shi khai.
Du. Haruka and Dojone. I've told you many times. Your aunt's family is a good family. You marrying Shing will keep our family ties together. I don't want them to be broken. You understand me? Go po Jimmy, po Jimmy Jong Hing now. Which is like it's okay. What they want to do? Po John, about Totola.
Well, why didn't you let me choose? What if I don't want to marry her?
Go be happy again. What are you saying? If I want you to marry her, you will marry her, alright? No exceptions.
Dad, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not gonna marry Shane.
What?
Go there. Go to your Shane.
Who allowed you to do that?
I did. We live in America now. I can make my own choices. I'm gonna marry the girl that I love. The only reason why I thought I loved Shane is because I was forced into this marriage by you.
Who is she?
It's Gonza. It's Gonza Lee, the girl that I love.
No, I cannot allow that. You know what you have done? You have shamed my name, and not only that, you have shamed your family's name. There's many girls out there. Why don't you go date them? Why would you do something so stupid?
What difference does it make? You forced me to marry my cousin. That's my aunt's daughter. Goyer and I are not even blood related compared to Shang and I. We just have the same last name. Dad, are you even listening to me? No, it's too late. Alright, it's too late. I'm gonna marry the girl that I love, and I don't love Shane. I'm gonna marry Gonza, and we don't need your blessings anymore.
Dude, John Hai Ilona, Jean Governor. You I'm only gonna say this once. Listen carefully. Right now, the Shinana, could you move show cái tên đó này? God, I'm gonna stop the Shinana, get out of my house right now!
You're upset, Mom. 그때 겨울에 그걸 주지네.
Good job, Jana. Are you stupid? Why would you do something like this? Go to Chile, Nona. The time on you, show me what I'm going to totally know. How beautiful is this girl that you must cast her life away like this? Go ahead, Keisha, go, Ma. I am mad. The shape of the dog is a good I understand your love too. I'm just scared for you, Mitu. When Chachi goes enough, that you'll have to live your whole entire life with shame. Please don't be like Mother, who has lived her whole entire life without shame, without the one she truly loves. Where is this necklace this girl has given you? To show them how much fun you can do, much of which I show.
What's wrong, Mom? Aren't you?
Ethan, can you grab me the box underneath the bed? When you see her, help her phone him. I'm not trying to please give her that.
It was kind of obvious when
Isn't-
she gave
isn't these-
Charles the necklace.
Yes, they are the same. Now you know, my son, that you know Kapala. Do not be afraid of love. Don't try to get rude. Don't control. Hold on to it as tight as you can, no matter how hard the road gets. There's a game you want to go YouTube. Don't control it. Hopefully, you'll write a better story than I will.
I'll see you soon, Mom. Let me chip it off.
I love you too. Good shall we Jana 내가 여무다 이르스마 다가 두니까 뭐야 따내나 롱차 두니까 이지야 롱차구나 뭐 다가 되게 마셔 뭐지 자가 넌지다 무니
Goyer, can I speak with you? It's under the top. Shane, what is it? What did China Shane? Let's talk in private. I don't know. What is it? What did China? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Don't you Baltimore? What are you talking about? Go ahead, China. Everyone knows you kissed him. So let's do about the Canadian. Shane, what are you talking about? I don't understand. Stop talking now. Okay, don't make the movie. You probably forced him to do it, didn't you? Because of you, his family suffered from the loss of his mother. She couldn't handle knowing that he's in love with you. Come on, then, Jing. Thằng đứa nó thì cũng lúc đó bị chết tôi nè. Như chính là chuyện thao xia. Jane, please don't blame things on me. That's all you got go on. I do admit, I did kiss him, bring Nebula. But it has nothing to do with you. Didn't you think it's all because of you. The come broke our engagement. Có tên thua cho cái sự khai rồi nè. Chắc có chuyện tôi là cái này cái gì nào? Chắc cái chuyện tiếp theo học lúc này bật chùa. Why are you alive, huh? Why did you die alone with your parents? I'm gonna make you pay for this. Jane, please stop. You're disgusting. Give up the name. Stop.
See, Kunada, go to Tadubi to Donna. Honey, I heard that Gamsa's dating Dubi's son.
Huh? Kumotema. Is that so?
Motema, if they it's true. When she gets back, ask her.
I'm not sure.
Oh, no, it's another. I'm going to top. Gamsa, the nerd of the Tasha. Come here. Got you to Debia.
Gunter, where have you been? We heard you were seeing Doobie's son?
Nói there, Kata, could be the good egg for my drink. Do you know that your action has caused us so much shame? Good boy, even though we're not related to Doobie, we still share the same last name. Do you know what you have done to us?
Repeat! If it's up to me, you wouldn't be alive right now. You don't deserve to live here anymore.
Go. Good day. You don't have parents and you came and tried to be a good person. You've embarrassed us too much. Tao hỏi là chị mừng, chỉ muốn đắc cơn thôi nhá. Chị mình hả cậu? Hả? Ai có để cái tao? Tao hỏi là chị mừng, chỉ muốn cái thôi nhá là có có chút thọ, tao mua.
Get out!
Hey, Gong, is everything alright?
I don't know, man.
Pick it up. You seem worried, buddy. What's wrong?
I have a bunch of missed calls from Gonza. No one ever calls me this one without any good reason. There's something wrong. Go find it.
Gong, stay. Shimon's funeral is almost done.
My mom once told me, go to the ones that you love. There's something wrong, I have to go find her.
Go!
Ôi, tôi thế này. I wonder who's here. Oh, tôi là.
Do you know where Gonza is?
But come on. Of course I've seen her. She shot the kino and the guy had time with you. But she left this morning. I don't know where she went to.
Oh. Linda, sir. That's it. Thank you. Ciao.
Chắc tôi.
You're not at school. You're not at home. Where could you be? Gonza? Gonza! What did you do? Somebody help me!
I need AD. Wait, code blue, code blue. Sorry, son. Can you please step up? Chest compressions, 30. Apply AD. Stand clear. We lost her. Sorry, son. There's nothing we can do. Tatsi. Wybacz do mnie. Dasz nie ma.
Wait. May I see your one son?
Yes. Come this way, son.
You've been in love, haven't you? So deep that you can't sleep at night. So much that you can't go a day without thinking about that person. The moment you see them, your heart jumps with excitement. You can go on for hours talking about anything and everything that each moment apart seems like forever. Have you ever felt your heart yearn for someone so much it hurts to breathe? We've all been in love before. We've all experienced the butterflies that flutter through your entire body. We see through all the little imperfections, through to the beauty lying deep inside the person. And when we fall in love, we can't help but feel all these things. Sometimes we can't choose who we fall in love with. But love cannot go without unjudged eyes. And love is not as easy as choosing who to love, where to love, when to love, how to love, and why we love. If loving was as easy as choosing all these things, then I would have chosen the easy way out. But no matter how much you love, how hard you love, or how faithful you love, people are always finding excuses to break you apart. I could live for an eternity and never find another like you. There's no other person who can bring me the happiness that you have brought me, and the gift of time with you. You're the one I've chosen. No matter the trials, no matter the challenges, as long as you were with me, I'd be okay. We'd be okay. If I could love without a name, without color, without a race, without a face, and without a voice, all that you would feel is my heart beating against yours, my soul within yours, and yours within mine. Isn't that enough reason to love? But love really is unfair.
I promise I'd be with you. Wherever you go, I'll follow. I love you, Concept.